Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering target concepts. List 5 to 10 core keywords that describe your video. Once done, use YouTube Search Autocomplete to capture natural, high-intent phrases people type. Make sure to open a few competitor videos and scan titles and comments because creators reveal commonly used words. You are building a raw tag pool now. Organize it by relevance and search intent so you know which tags will represent topic, variations, and long-tail phrases in the next step. Now expand each seed keyword into long-tail versions and synonyms. You can type seeds into autocomplete related searches and use simple spreadsheets to capture variations. Once expanded, group tags into primary topic tags, supporting secondary tags, specific long-tail phrases, and a branded tag. Then prioritize by relevance and likely search volume. Choose more specific tags if competition is high, and broader tags when you need discovery. You are refining which tags to include in your video field. Finally, enter your tags into YouTube Studio. Place your strongest, most relevant primary tags first, then supporting and long-tail tags, keeping the list focused at about 8 to 12 items. After publishing, monitor impressions and traffic sources for 1 to 2 weeks and tweak tags based on what drives search clicks. If performance is poor, make sure tags match title and description. Also troubleshoot thumbnails, watch time, and metadata alignment because mismatched tags rarely fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.